Welcome back. Cosrx just launched a new sunscreen, which name is Cosrx. Ultralight Invisible Sunscreen, SPF 50 PA++++, available in $16 for 50 ml key features. It is ultralight and non-greasy formula, absorbs quickly without any white cast, free of drying alcohol and fragrance, recommended for all skin types, including oily. Best suited for sensitive, dry to combination dry skin. Let's deep dive into its ingredients. It has aloe barbadensis. Leaf water provides soothing moisture to alleviate heat. Hamamelis virginiana, also known as witch hazel, it soothes the skin and provides moisture. Niacinamide prevents UV-induced pigmentation and controls sebum production. It has tocopherol, offers antioxidant defense against UV damage. How to use: apply the sunscreen before exposure to the sun. Final thought. I was quite intrigued when Cosrx launched this ultralight invisible sunscreen, given its claims of being ultralight, non-greasy, and suitable for all skin types. Unfortunately, my experience with this product did not live up to the hype. Upon application, the sunscreen does indeed feel light and absorbs quickly, leaving no white cast, which is a positive aspect. However, for my oily skin, it left a noticeable wet look, even when used in the correct amount. This finish was far from the refreshing matte look I was hoping for. In comparison to other Cosrx sunscreens I've tried, this one was less greasy than the Aloe SPF, but still not ideal for my skin type. It didn't suffocate my skin like the vitamin SPF, but the overly dewy finish was not something I appreciated. While this sunscreen may be a good option for those with dry to combination dry skin, especially in colder weather, it didn't work well for my oily skin. The wet finish was unappealing, and I would not recommend it for anyone with a similar skin type looking for a matte or even slightly dewy finish. Despite its beneficial ingredients and quick absorption, it just wasn't the right fit for me.